A question that we've gotten is whether or not there are certain sentences or cases that we've done that we think about. This is what I'll say. We have a few clients that are post-trial, pending appeal, and we think about them and we obviously wish them the very best of luck, whether or not we are the ones doing the appeal or not doing the appeal. But a case that I think probably on the daily basis about is a trial that I did about 3 years ago, and it was a federal matter, and the client was looking at mandatory life 3 different ways. We ended up going to trial. It was partial acquittal. I beat one of the 12 counts, did not make a difference in the grand scheme of things, and the client was sentenced to mandatory life. We were not the firm to do the appeal. Someone else did the appeal. And essentially, the Second Circuit came back to say there were no trial issues. I was effective and nothing went wrong during the trial, and the client's conviction was upheld. This client is serving life. When you go to bop.gov and you search client's name, there's no date for the completion of the sentence. It just says life. And I think about that client every single day. Not that I would have done anything differently. The case was the case. The government called 96 witnesses, 12 of whom were cooperators. We fought hard for the client, but ultimately he got sentenced to life. And I think about that case every day, and I have not reached out to the client because I don't know what to say. How do you tell someone to do something differently? So I think about that case every single day. Not that I want to do things better, but I wonder, like, how is the client doing?